Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, nice to meet you. If you're a returning subscriber, I missed you. But if you are new here, think about joining the fam. You know, tú sabes. If you want to join, just hit the subscribe and that push notification so y'all don't miss me once a week, every week, But today I brought you a quick, easy video. I hope you guys like this. These little tutorials that take maybe like 10 minutes of your break, your lunch break. Are you at home? Are you chilling like a villain? So I did a tutorial on how to do your brows, how I do my brows. Again, this is not a drastic brow, but this is a pretty full brow that I like to do. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, please keep watching. If not, let me know if you want to see a softer brow, and I'll definitely do that for you guys. So the comments are for. Let me know. Speak to me. Besides that, thank you guys as always for supporting me and sharing me and spreading the word in any way, shape, or form. My comments, I believe, are still acting up, so I don't really see anything from you guys. I don't know if it's just like that or if I just don't see anything, but thank you guys. Besides that, that's about it. I will see you guys next week. Again, subscribe, and as always guys, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. That's how we gonna get it popping. But without further ado, here's the video, and I hope you guys like it. See you soon. Okay guys, so starting off, we have our base done, our foundation, our powder. I baked, don't mind Lilly, she's being a puppy. I baked, what else? That's about it. And I did concealer. So as you can tell, I have done one brow the way I always do it, and I'm going to show you how I do my other brow. That way you can compare them now. Not so thick, This one's not so thick, this one's thick. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to just show you how I do it. A couple things you're going to need, or at least that I use, is, let me just close it up real quick. Anastasia Dip Brow. I use mine in dark brown. Then I use an eyebrow brush that has a spoolie on the other end. This is a super necessity. This one is by Sephora, the Pro Brow Brush. Just like that, just like that. Then, just two more little things. A concealer brush. This is by Morphe. Yeah, by Morphe. And I use my foundation to do the top, to cut my eyebrow, and for the bottom I do use my concealer. I do not use concealer to carve out my top brow because to me, I don't like that highlight. It doesn't look good for me, because then it's like foundation, concealer, and it just, to me, it don't look good. It don't look good. So I'm gonna just show you. And I haven't done bronzing or anything, guys, so sorry if I look a little crazy. So you're gonna dip into your dip brow a little bit. You don't need much at all. I've had that for like probably a year. I haven't really done it much with it. So let me grab my little mirror. I hope you guys don't see it. This is so uncomfortable. Okay, so you're gonna start from midway on your brow, right? And then you're gonna follow your natural arch. Obviously accentuating it in whatever kind of way you want. So I start here, and lightly I follow my arch. That's what you have right about now. And then I meet the front of my brow to that side, very lightly. So that's what I have right now. Obviously this line, you can see it, it looks like a major line, but we're gonna work on that right now. Hold on. So I do the bottom next. Same thing, mid-brow. And I follow the curve under my brow. Someone apparently just busted their behind. I'm sorry, you heard that. And then same thing, I just follow it in the front. So pretty much you have an outline down here and an outline up there. The reason as to why I have an outline where you don't see much hair is because I do have a bald, not a bald spot, it's just my hair doesn't grow as much on my arch anymore. Don't really know why. So I fill that in a little more because that's how I like my brow. If you guys want a softer brow, definitely let me know and I can work on giving you guys that, because I use different products when I used to do a softer brow. So let me know. So then you're gonna go in and fill it very lightly, just following the strokes of your hair. So the ones up here obviously go down for me, so I do light strokes going down, and then these up here go up. Very self-explanatory, but I just hope that this helps you guys out in any way, shape, or form. So after you have laid that color down, you obviously don't see the outline as much. You're gonna spoolie the color around, like making sure it's dispersed. And with your spoolie, you're gonna make that line that we had done earlier, that outline, less harsh. There you go. So like you see the outline that I did. I hope I'm not covering myself with the mirror. But you see the outline I did, but it's not a harsh outline anymore. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? And it doesn't look like much now, guys. But when I carve it is when you really see it. Then I flick upwards, like with the very tip of my eyebrow brush, because I have little missing hairs right there. And you make sure they're even, you know? Let me just fill it in a little more. A little more. And that's the good thing about your brows, guys, that if you need more or less, you honestly just build it up. There you go. So that's the kind of color I like the amount of thickness and how opaque it is. And then obviously it's not super straight, so that's where I fix it with my foundation. So I grab my foundation for the top, put a very little bit, like it's not even a fifth of a pump, it's just that much. My Jaguar is fading, guys, but I hope you like my nails. I hope you like it. So you're gonna grab your concealer brush and you're gonna very lightly get into it. Not too much, not too much. And then you're gonna follow the curve of the brow you just made, you know? So I start from halfway, right here, and I go down. And I move in closer, and then move down. You get a little more if you need some. So another thing I'm gonna tell you guys is when I'm doing my brows, I don't have my eyebrows like with expression. I just, you know, straight and then I do it. Because if you have your eyebrow like this and you're filling it in, it's just gonna come out looking crazy. So don't do that. And then if anything, we'll go back in and fix whatever we need to fix. So this is the carve out on my brow. I just wipe off the rest on my hand because, you know. And then you're gonna blend it out, just swiping forward, like outwards into your foundation. Again, I use my foundation up top, so it should blend in perfectly. My booty blender to make sure. Ugh, I'm really sick, guys. Okay, so my arch right here, I don't know what really happened there, so we're gonna go in and fix that. So now I'm gonna go in with a little more to carve out my bottom. Right here, just a little bit. Like literally just that. Just that, just that. A little shade of color. That's it, that's it. So I'm gonna go in, I'm done with this, you can put this away. Now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of foundation. So now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of concealer. Same difference, I put it on my hand and then I'll use that same brush. Same exact concealer brush, just a little bit on your hand. And then you're gonna carve out the bottom of your brows. I start from the middle, right into my arch, and I go down. And then I start from here, into my arch, and I go down. Now, the very important part is the super front of your brow, where you're gonna want to make as straight as possible. Okay, and that's that. Wipe off your brush, let it bounty on yourself. And then you just blend it outwards. For this one, I don't really tend to use my beauty blender just because it gets too much in there. But if you put a little too much, the beauty blender would definitely take the excess off. So that's the good part. So I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender. I did go a little more heavy-handed than I wanted with the concealer. I'm trying to blend it out, but for this part, I just use the brush because I don't want to ruin the line that I already placed out. That's about it, guys. So I go into my Mercier translucent powder on a stippling brush, and you just set it. You set the top, right? The arch is there, the color is there. Lily's having the time of her life. And then you're gonna go in to, forgot to mention this to you guys. This is my Anastasia clear brow gel. I don't get the colored ones because I don't need the extra fullness. If you do, if you have very sparse brows, go ahead. It will add a little more fullness to your brows. So I brush upwards and then just following your natural hair. So up and then down. I like my front of my brows to be fluffy. And then make sure your ends are like popping. Here is the final eyebrow look, you know? So I hope you guys liked it. This is like Gorilla Glue for your brows. So I have a problem. Since my brow hairs are thick, they like move all day. With this, you're done, you're set, you're good to go. So that's about it. You guys will have seen me with my whole look done in the intro. So I didn't end like this. I did not go to work like this. But as always, I appreciate you guys so very much. But I'll say all that mushy stuff in the beginning, the way I always do. So as always, take care, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.